Hey guys, so I am back with another video. I know it's been a long time, but I am back for now. So today I'm gonna show you like an everyday makeup look. So right now I'm just doing my eyebrows right now with the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony, I believe. So I'm just gonna carve my brows and then I'm gonna add concealer. But I've really been missing in action on YouTube. There's been a lot going on since the last video I posted. And yeah, I just wanted to get back into the groove of things because, YouTube is a place I go just to make friends and share my hobbies with other girls. So now I'm using the Kevin Aucoin concealer. I think it's an 11 to crop my brows, I guess. Fill in my brows, well, to shape my brows. And I'm just going to clean it up real quick with this Real Technique brush. And this is like an everyday makeup look you could do when you're going out. Not every day, but like when you have to go out on an everyday basis, like maybe your work or something where you want to look good. Even going to the market because you never know who you're going to see, girl, okay? Okay. So now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And there goes my mom dancing in the back. But yeah, so let's blend this foundation out, and now we're going to add the Tarte concealer, which gets me really oily. I used it over the weekend and realized that this one is very, very oily, so I'm going to stop using it. And I never get dry, so it's not like I could say I'm using it when I get dry because I never get dry. So just going to blend the concealer out and then use the Laura Mercier powder, which I'm thinking of getting the darker one because my cousin had it over the weekend and I tried it. This one, if I apply too much, it makes me look too ghostly. Now I'm using this new Fit Me by Maybelline powder in medium just to set up my face. And even after doing all this, guys, I am still oily after the day. Now I gotta clean up the mess because you can't go on YouTube with this mess on, girl. You gotta look good. Look at my bra showing and everything. Now I'm spraying the Scandinavia to set my face, and I'm about to apply some highlight. We're gonna be glowing today. This is the one from Maybelline. I don't know what shade it is, but it's the first one that ever came out that everybody was hyped about. I'm gonna put in my tear duct, and I'm gonna blend it out with the brush so it's not too like patchy. It looks like it's sitting on. Now I'm gonna use the falsies to apply my mascara on my lashes, and now I'm gonna use this what is that brand called? Kiss eyelashes. And I'm just gonna place the lashes on there. Mom's gonna come and say hi to you guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi. So yeah, now we're gonna continue with the face. So with my mom, she always chatting. She's so Haitian. Look at her brushing my hair. Like, look at her. And then she's gonna mess up my lashes. Gotta fix them in place. Now I'm doing the bottom lashes to that bottom mascara to enhance those little itty bitty lashes I have down there. And we are almost done, girl. We almost done. This is like what? 10 minutes on a good day. Now I'm talking to her mom. She distracted me. Fixing those lashes. Now I'm putting Lolita on my lips. I had this for like a good 3-4 years and I'm still using it. I'm using a NYX brown lip liner, brushing my hair. I'm using the body spray just to reactivate the edge control that I had on yesterday. And yeah, so I don't have to add more edge control on my hair. I'm brushing my hair out. I love this hair. Now I'm going to use some spray from Afrogy, some shine spray, and Biosic oil. This is slick my hair, girl. Looking good and shiny. Ooh, look at that. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like this video of this Get Ready With Me. Hope you guys subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys later. Bye.